Welcome to X4Jet tutorial video, installing and removing propellers. X4Jet uses tri-blade propellers. Each propeller is marked with A or B. Before installing the propellers, please verify whether the markings on propellers and motors say A or B. Propeller A's must be paired with A motors, B with B when installed. Take out the propellers. Match the letters on the propeller and the motors. Use the provided screwdriver to install the propellers by tightening clockwise. When the propellers are damaged and need to be changed, you may remove them by loosening propeller screws counterclockwise. Propellers are consumable. Please replace when necessary. This concludes the X4Jet tutorial video, installing and removing propellers. Thank you for watching.